Hello all, welcome back for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset a Fiat 500. I'm going to show you how to reset this manually. Before we start, our YouTube channel, subscribe if you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and any questions you can ask me on the comment area. I'll get back to you. Our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Okay, let's start with the Fiat 500. Normally there is an indicator flashing over here, oil indicator, that service has to be reset. I reset it, so it's gone now, but I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, first of all, turn the ignition off, and then the second stage or the second position. Once you are there, you have to press the accelerator pedal 3 times and let go 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Once you have done that, turn off the ignition and turn back the ignition on. And if it goes well, the indicator doesn't appear anymore, so the service is then reset. Okay, if you like our video, subscribe if you didn't already. Service Reset My Car, and give us a thumbs up for more videos. Thank you, see you next time, bye bye.